Okay, so we're picking up where we left off yesterday, and we made some pretty good progress yesterday. We fixed one of the big bugs, and actually all of them, but we ended up knocking out everything except for this red, well, I'm sorry, except for 3 bugs. The red 3 bug, the discard bug, and the connection bug. And we actually fixed the red 3 bug, but it looked like we created a new bug when we solved the initial one. So that's weird. I wasn't anticipating that, but that's how it works. You fix one bug and then you move on to the next one. So let's see if it does it again. So yeah, see how it starts dealing these, it's dealing the players cards from the hand, from the draw animation instead of from the deck. So that is not what we're supposed to happen. See, and now it resets and it does it again. Yeah, that is odd. So what I'm gonna do real quick, since I saw that it did occur again, we are going to you know, I want to make it to where whenever I kill the clients, the server one, it's not a big deal. I'm not worried about that right now. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is to verify that this is indeed what is causing this bug that we just experienced. Is I'm going to revert this back to the way it was, and the way that it was before I fixed it, it was like this. So there was no comma after P2 red 3 meld. So now let's run it again and see what it does. Okay, now this is weird because, okay, well this is odd because like I'm very certain that, just verify, make sure it's saved. Autosave is on, so it should have saved that change. I'm gonna try it again. And I'm expecting it not to happen actually, but it looked like it still was happening, which means that it's not the comma that caused that, but it's something else. Okay, yeah, so it's still doing it, and that is obviously unrelated to the comma issue. So what we're gonna do is I want to say that I probably changed something on accident in progression. Like I might have just like mistyped somewhere. So let's go ahead and get you double click it. Double click it makes it bigger. And now we can Okay, so this is the draw 1, this is when we give our name. Then we have the draw 2, which is the draw animation. Okay, and then what happens then? Then it does what? Then we call the draw 3. That's when it check. Okay, so that's when it checks see if they have the same card or who wins the draw. And why do we have this in quotations? Wait a second. Why? Oh, wait a second. Okay, so this is only for if testing is equal to true. I'm sorry. Goofy. Okay, so you know, I could totally fix this function to use greater, like, or like, instead of doing elif, 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 I could just do, like, well, at least for these two sections, I could make this to where it found the greater of the two. I could reduce the lines here. It's not that big a deal at all, so we're gonna not worry about that. So I'm looking for okay, so it calls return draw card and then it returns the deal. Okay, so and then when that happens, okay, so it correctly moves the draw cards back, and then for whatever reason it begins dealing from the draw animation location, and it doesn't replace all the cards back into the deck location, which is just weird. It wasn't doing that before. So if it wasn't caused by the comma fix, then that actually must have been, oh man, I don't know what's causing that, but it's okay. So it returns the, No, that's actually before it returns the draw card. Before it returns the draw card, it does that. Oh great. Yeah, see, so okay, something is totally off here. That sucks, right? Because everything was working fine, and I don't understand why it would all of a sudden no longer be working. So we pick our draw card and the king, it disappears. Okay, and we'll put that as a bug as well because that's something we're gonna have to fix. And we'll call this draw card disappear bug. After the draw is completed, whenever the draw cards return visually back to the deck, back to their original location. Which I thought was the deck, but like they actually move. Six. Okay, yeah, actually it's when it's traveling to the hand. That's the hand location, okay. So this is actually during the draw. Whenever the draw cards are visually, or as soon as the draw cards are visually, placed in the hand after being chosen, they immediately disappear. So like they travel to the location, to the hand, but at the point of landing on the hand they disappear. So that should clarify that. Okay. But I wanted to check the other one first, the other bug, and I want to see exactly where the cards are. Like, is it before the draw cards are returned, or is it after? So let's see. Okay. Yeah, so basically, they're not being replaced. They're just like, it's kind of teleporting. Seven disappears. Now we That one disappears, and then yeah, so it's not. Okay, so yeah, something's severely wrong with that. So it's doing the deal before the draw animation visuals are reset. See, so right here, where this is moves each card from the deck into the proper deck location. From, we'll say, from the okay, and for whatever reason, that is not being reflected.
I just went by the watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the clips, make a play and get high off that Zaza. Be Kobe, a nigga so fly when I ball out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudy's, a big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for both, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying clothes, that shit still in the packages. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas throw sevens like Kaepernick. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no, I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I step in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I started.
It's like, what did I accidentally change something? Because this was not a problem, and then all of a sudden, and so we tested to see if it was because I removed that comma, because I added the comma rather, and it wasn't that. So knowing they mad that they no longer live. Niggas know that I step in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I shot the 10 for 600 on all I net. Paid it full like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Okay. This is very strange. So if it's changing the XY of all these cars like it's supposed to, then this must mean, for whatever reason, that the data isn't being transferred properly. And that is transferred through what handles that? I want to say, is it card group data dict? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, so this is if self-change verdict involves a card group transfers equal true. The card group data dict itself, ID equals val sub li. Select the display layer. Now, so we're doing card group data dict, and then we go to what's it, client, okay, and data dict. Okay, so that's for the game. So we're gonna be handling that in dir check receive. Okay. So we should be seeing. Let's go and look inside of third check. So receive is equal to false. And let's see if receive is equal to true. So we're gonna go to the here. Okay. Looking for card group data dictionary. Here we go, right here. Okay. So if item is equal to card group data dictionary, then change already false game state. Not in, none, waiting on the player, the draw one, change adder equals true. And if game state is in a directory, if a directory at the game state is equal to the draw 2, change adder equals true, change adder equals true, creator, item card data. Dir at item. Dir equals dir at item at key. Card change from dir check equals true. The string in string type card. Okay, so I want to see if this data is being transferred. We're gonna go to Alright, so this is okay. Yeah, so we're gonna print out the so this is the one we change the amount back greater than 0. Then we're gonna say if so change game attribute dictionary. Let's see, how does that game okay, type dict key is equal to card ID. Okay, so we're gonna say if card group data dict is in, or is it always in there? Let's see. So let's see. So whenever we go to send, so we're gonna look for the send section. Sorry, I'm can't listen to this while I code. I need silence. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Alright. So we're looking for the send section for card group data dict. Okay, so here we go. So we say if length of card group data dict is greater than 0, then we say client.changeGameAttribute at item is equal to. Okay, so that's what we want to look for. So we want to see if the item is in so we want to see if card group data dict is in the progression card. Card. Here we want client custom list locations and custom order. We can go ahead and close that too. Alright. Yeah, so we're going to be looking for card group data dict. So we'll go back to check where it's called game. And there we go. Alright, and but if card group data dict in ink data at card group data dict in ink data Card group data dict in ink data change game attribute dictionary, then we will print so we're gonna copy this one and we're gonna actually move this one here. We're gonna comment this out temporarily, and we want to have a more specific printout, so we're gonna have this one and we're gonna customize it to say at, what is it, card group data dict. So when I say at, I'm referring to like the key card group data dict, and I think we need escape characters before this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Then we're gonna put at card group data dict, and so I feel like that that should be right. I'm a little rusty though, so let's go ahead and just run it and see what we get with that. Okay, and the card disappears, which we don't want, but we'll get to that bug in a second. Now, okay, so this is where we're going to want to end it, right? We just end it right there because it's already started to do it. I'm going to terminate this server. And let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's go ahead and open that up, make it a little bigger. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we did word it right as far as the printout, and we did get the change. And let's see, so this is showing ink data change game attribute card group data dict, and it's I mean, I'm not gonna count all these, but I'm pretty sure this is the data. Well, hold up, this might be, let's look at the values here. So we have card 91, and then it's at 50 XY, so the XY is going to be 1575, then 673. So this is actually when this is when it is, well, maybe it's not, but these are the XY coordinates for whenever the cards are placed in the draw animation location. This is not when they're placed back into the deck location. So yeah, this is the initial, this is when the draw animation is actually occurring and the cards are being moved from well, no, you've been drinking. Yes, you have. Mom, look, I'm not an idiot. No, you drank. Well, I don't think you should drive right now, honestly. I don't think you should drive right now. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is use the bathroom real quick. Now, you know, I was thinking something I might need a fucking professional help You know what I'm saying? Like something is fucked up and it's gonna break. And I looked and I looked and I fucking looked and like one more thing I'm gonna do is change that tire, the front right tire, and I probably need to look at the where I installed that CV axle again. Honestly, I don't want to do this, but I might end up having to fucking like take it off. it will shake by the wheel. If you go like faster, above like 40, it starts to shake. Okay. I have to work on my car. Problems with the car. Okay, so this is whenever the cards are placed into the staggered location, and then this is whenever the card is placed for player 1, this is for player 2, and as you can see, there's no more. Let's see what this one. Okay, this one. Okay, client 2 actually did register the cards back to their XY, but they didn't get visually moved there. Let's just double check that again. So we're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna call the server. We're gonna call the client. Call the client again for client 2. Card. There it goes. Then we second one. Okay. Now let's. So this is client 1, and this is going to be client 2. Well, actually no. Player 1 is FDSA. So this is, well, I'm pretty sure it opens from left to right. So like this is going to be client 2. So we're going to be looking at client 1. Alright, so let's see, client 1 here. We'll go to the beginning, and that's the beginning when the client started. Okay, this is that traceback for progression text. That's nothing to worry about. Now we have the staggered locations, and then this is supposed to be when they're all placed back into the deck, but as you could see, it didn't work as like it was supposed to. So it's changing the XY values. Okay. Now let's go back to client. And now we're going to look at the next step. So we are receiving it. So it's getting done on the server side. It's getting transferred over the network. The client is receiving it, and then here, when it's being received, it should then apply the XY. So let's see if it's actually applying the XY. So we're looking for, what is it, card group data. I can never remember the name of that one. Card group data dictionary. Okay. And so this is the receive section for card group data dictionary. And what did I just, it just lets you drag a section of code. I hope I didn't do anything stupid like that which caused this bug, like I just did on accident right there. That would not be cool, man. Okay, so if item is equal to card group data dict, alright, so we're going to we want to print the card data. Or we can do custom logger. We can log it. Now we'll just print it because I want to see it like actively. So we'll say hi after check. So we'll say sys dot get frame dot f dot underscore line though, and then third check, and then we'll put card data equals card data. Okay. Now this is gonna print out. Oh, it's gonna print out a bunch of times. One line over and over again, but that's fine. Okay, so let's review and see what it showed. Actually, I didn't have to clip, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here it is. This is all of them when they're being moved to the staggered location, but you don't. Let's check client 2. Okay, so client 2. Okay, so alright, so that's the staggered, but then we get this, but we don't get the subsequent dir check changes. So okay, so I want to see so for client 1, we're not getting it at all. We're not getting not getting any changes to the deck or anything. Nothing is showing that it's being moved to the deck. As far as the XY data goes, nothing is happening client 1. So that's when the 2 cards get clicked. Okay, I want to be a little bit more clean about this because I have to go, like, we're gonna go all the way. We're gonna go a little bit further in the play through the play instead of just cutting it off so soon. Client 1 nor client 2. Dude, what the hell, man? Okay, so obviously card.data transfer is transferred over the network, right? So let's see if it's in the well, actually it doesn't need to be because it's server side. So server is gonna run dir check and it's gonna send it based on the server side value. So let's just look for check. So we'll see. So if you go true, but we're not looking for a C. We're looking for send. Okay, right, no, we don't even need to look here. We need to be looking in card because, yeah, that's right. Whenever the X or Y, it checks if card data transfer is equal to true or false. Okay, so that's not an issue. See, for client 2, it's at least changing the XY, but for client 1, it's not. So I think what we need to do is we need to look. We're gonna change custom logger to be. We're gonna change it to print instead of log, so that it's going to print out everything in real time instead of us seeing it after the fact. So I can see if we're, so what this is not even what we're looking for. We're looking for the single line, or no, it's these, because that means it's being applied. This just means it's being received, like it's being proposed to be received. Now that just means it made it from the server side to the client side. But the single line printout is going to. Okay, so wait. Okay, so it did. So it did work here. Just a second. So you can see that the XY values were changed client 2 to the proper values, but they didn't visually reflect it. They were not displaying in the proper location. Okay. I am extremely confused by this, especially considering that we just, like, we didn't really make any changes. The only change that I made was before the change in the comma was this right here. So hand and card group name and wild cards. Yeah, it couldn't be from this because this doesn't even. Unless it is trying to resituate. Hold up, man. Hold up. Let me just see something. So we're going to remove that for just a second. And we're going to run it again. Let's see. Okay, so that is it. That is what's happening. Okay. Well, that was an easy fix. Shouldn't have taken me that long to figure that out. Okay, cool. So alright. So it was actually the. Alright, cool. So we figured this out. We're gonna put this in our indevlog. Let's say discovered the source of the new draw animation detected to be a bug. Because we fixed the resituation section by adding the game ID arg at line number 502 nlog.py. It was causing the a resitch errant. I don't know how to word that exactly. It was causing an errant resituation after the card was appended, after the draw card was appended to the hand. I'm pretty sure that's what's going on, so we're gonna make sure. Okay, so we did put it back. Yeah, wait, so this is what we want. We want to leave it with the resituation section in its working state. So now we should experience the bug again. And for whatever reason that didn't work, and so we're gonna do this again. So now client 1 is running. Now we're gonna run client 2. There goes client 2. And then we got the queen 9, and then okay, I don't know what just happened. I don't know why I did that. Let's cd main, and then we'll do pi server, pi client.py, and then let's look at locations real quick. So we definitely just put game ID equals game ID. So we put it back in its working state. So that bug should come back then. Dude, I'm so confused because what? Like we just I am mega confused right now. I'm just like, what just happened? Okay, so we were experiencing, like, we fixed this bug yesterday. And then, if I had remembered correctly, I thought everything was working fine for the resituation section. And that was literally the only thing that we changed, was this. And then, oh, you know what it is? I bet it's because we got custom logger set to print. See, I said that was an issue and could cause bugs. I don't know if necessarily that's what was causing it, but so we changed custom logger back to log instead of, and now let's try. So we shouldn't. Okay, that's what it is. It's this CLPy 160 dirt check. So let's go to line 160. So it's this printout. That's what it is. That's causing that issue, I believe. So now we can get rid of the print. We don't want any prints because it messes up the data transfer. As you can see, we don't have any printouts so far, which is what we want. Actually, we still don't have any printouts, correct? Let me pick another card, that's a different bug. Let's put that in things to do. Gave the proper prompt but would not allow. Oh, that might have been need to click a new card. So, I just realized that I only tried to pick a new one for P1, but not for 2. Why it's not working? Yeah, click proceed anyway. I just realized that I only tried to pick a new one for one player, but not for the other. I need to verify that it's actually, but I think both players are supposed to be able to pick their cards at the same time. I think, anyway. I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to work. Okay. Oh, this sucks. This got ugly. It got ugly, dude. Yuck. Okay, so there's that bug. Alright, okay, so that's the behavior we expected actually. And this is with no printout. So this is what we want. This is how it's supposed to, well, we don't want it to do that weird thing where it draws the cards in places, like it resituates the hand or whatever. It resituating something, which is not supposed to do that. So just to verify, we're gonna go back to locations, and we actually want custom. It doesn't matter. We can leave custom log here. So we have the game ID, which is causing it to resituate. That's what it's supposed to do. So this is how it's supposed to work. We're just going to verify that this weird bug that is associated with the resituation fix is occurring again, so, with no printouts to interfere. Yeah, so see how it's doing that? It's not supposed to do that. It's not relocating them to the deck. It's dealing straight from that, and then it's gonna put them back and then do it again. Strange. And then when we remove this game ID, that's not it, right here at 502, when we remove this game ID, now, with no printouts to interfere, it should not have this weird bug. It does. Okay, so it's not that's causing it, because if it was the resituation fix, then oh yeah. Okay, alright. So it's not that. It's not the resituation thing. Oh man. So I'm like quits here in a minute. I just want to verify something. I want to make sure that, like, I could have swore yesterday we fixed 3 situations, but now, whatever reason, it's doing this weird thing. What? What the fuck? Dude, what? Why? What the hell? Like, what? So pissed. Like, what the fuck, man? I just fixed this. I don't understand. And it just did something really weird. Like it moved God, this is a nightmare. Yeah, that never happened. That's like I don't know. I must have, like, God, I must have accidentally hit some button and changed something, because I'm telling you, it didn't do this before. It never did this. This is brand new. This has never ever happened. So strange, dude. See, it goes straight to play cards. What the what? What? Like, what is this even, dude? What? Bro, like, what? There's no way, dude. I can't believe this. Yeah, I'm done. I'm very disappointed. I don't understand, man. I tested this yesterday, and it worked fine. Like, Okay. So I see now. Well, I see a good thing that I need to do. I see something that's required that I need to do. Because I just found a bug. Just like this. Using the debugger, the built-in debugger, and so you can see that right here I have self.id, but there is no self. So game.card group data dictionary string. This is actually should be current card.id. I'm just like, what is this line even saying? Game.cardGroup data dictionary at string of current card.id equals current card dot prior card group name. Ah. It's missing the... It's supposed to be deprogramming projects, Canasta assets, audio, place card wave. So it's missing the... So we need to put... I love that.
that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the best, oh. You're not even speaking to my friends, no. You knew all my uncles and my aunts, oh. 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep a picture posted by your bedside. Now I see you dressed up with the socks you don't like. And I'm rolling, 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 rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas, Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get this shit out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I see you with your other dude. He seemed like he was pretty cool. I was so broken over you. Life it goes on, what can you do? I just wonder what it's gonna take. Another foreign or bigger change. Because no matter how my life has changed, I keep on looking back on better days. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I promise, I swear to you I'll be okay. You're only the love of my life. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh. Standing there alone, the ship is waiting, all systems are go. Are you sure? Control is not convinced, but the computer has the evidence. No need to abort. The countdown starts. Watching in a trance, the crew is certain, nothing left to chance. All is working, trying to relax. Up in the capsule, take me up a drink. You're a the count goes on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Earth below us, drifting, falling, floating, weightless, calling, calling home. light lit me into shape. I must have been asleep for days. Moving lips, breathe her name. I opened up my eyes and found myself alone above the raging sea. Slowly only thought I loved, drowned her deep inside of me. You, soft and lonely. You, lost and lonely. You, just like heaven. I'll always be there. And when you're in doubt, and when you're in danger, take a look all around, and I'll be there. I'm sorry about you sleeping on the ride. I know that you're down the way I planned them to be. Around the wall, I'll make you fall for me. I promise you I'll do. When your day is through, and so is September, you know what to do. Gonna always be there. Sometimes if I shout, it's not what's intended. These words just come out. We know not to bear. I'm sorry about you thinking I'm the right one. I know that you're down the way I planned it to be. Please be waiting around the wall. I'll make you fall for me. I promise you. I'm sorry about you thinking I'm the right one to say. I know that you're down the way I planned it to be. And if I had to walk the world, I'd make you fall for me. I promise you I would.
Yeah, but man, that was so good. No privilege, but I had the option to never be stuck up on the Brooklyn. More money, no problems. We don't get along like Arsenal, Tottenham. Everybody wanna hate now, but fuck them. Got phone in London, so they made it. Any question must come in function. So make a rich one, I can back it NA, chop it and cheat it. They let us off on my savings. I'll pop down and they can't face it. Chase it until I just made it. Remember when I couldn't buy food? Now my dad Lambo chop on the move. Should've rolled that in the tree. Roll the these guys, I'm playing my life. Roll the these guys, I'm F with an M. In my new end, the percentage of the crime. You know, man, what's the first of the name? Roll the these guys, I'm playing my life. Roll the these guys, I'm F with an M. In my new end, the percentage of the crime. You know, man, what's the first of the name? Proud of always treat me in my set like Gianfranco Zola. In N9 see me, I'm like Pep Guardiola. Even on street see me was a soldier, said they wanna be like me, was older. All this crud that my knees went weak. When I put on my weight in a rover, they can never be like me. No, me they put on me last week. Shows, of course I gotta get the right team. Close, so they wanna see me be like E. In the wine, far from a beast. Run everybody, run from police. All these brothers all talk in the streets, but they said they ain't gold in the deep. Tom Ford shoot now, feeling all trendy. Remember when I was empty. Got these roots in Eduardo, Mendy, drove Black Butter in Chelsea. No talk, I'll stay I feel more hungry, making a meal. I was so broke, couldn't pay for the bill. Cause I'm burning straight for the kill. Roll the these guys, I'm playing my life. Roll the these guys, I'm F with an M. In my new end, the percentage of the crime. You know, man, what's the first of the name? Roll the these guys, I'm playing my life. Roll the these guys, I'm F with an M. In my new end, the percentage of the crime. You know, man, what's the first of the name? All times in the end, we were just riding the left. Another judge in the eye, and I just lie for my friend. I listen to these UK rappers, and they just lying again. I'm a rocker, I got big haters, but I got fire for them. And we were young rock fellas, everybody was brothers. It was cool till we made it, then everybody got jealous. They didn't get down on the block, whether they like it or not.
Man, I got all my favorite bitches say I'm delicious. I'm alright. All you motherfuckers laying in this. I'ma kill all you rappers, I'ma aim with precision. They was rockin' with your ass till they made a decision. All my friends making millions cause they know I'm my bitch. A lot of entertainers crash, I can see the collision. That's it to make the money, I was great at the vision. I finna take all your food and I'ma eat up the dish. Everything up off the table, I'm sorry. See a nigga ball, Steve Harvey. Going up the dome, no Sharpie. Working out, looking like a Barbie. Kid, hair, not playboy like Cardi. You want to get smoked by Marley. Take no cane, no Atari. Let him move the bag like a dog Darby.
1, 2, 3, still pro with the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, hopping on the track. Touchdown, NY, John on the way. Brown skin, light skin, I woke up today. Since I fly like, firm tell Jacob that I need a watch. You know the ones with the color ice drops. We getting money, taking bets. Take my material, how to fly.
All my favorite bitches say I'm delicious. I'm alright. All you motherfuckers laying in this. I'ma kill all you rappers, I'ma aim with precision. They was rockin' with your ass till they made a decision. All my friends making millions cause they know I'm my bitch. A lot of entertainers crash, I can see the collision. That's it to make the money, I was great at the vision. I finna take all your food and I'ma eat up the dish. Just got the key to the mansion. Diamonds like Chris Brown dancing. Wonder why my bitch kept dancing. Had got the golf course landing. At J House on New Year. Lady S got the whole crew here. Full lip, making game shoes here. I swear this shit feeling like a zoo here.
1, 2, 3, still pro with the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, hopping on the track. Touchdown, NY, John on the way. Brown skin, light skin, she woke up today. Since I fly like, firm tell Jacob that I need a watch. You know the ones with the color ice drops. We getting money, taking bets. Take my material, hella fresh.
Motherfucking real.
What you get when you running in the crib. I know you niggas in my life.